Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a fixed background image in Elementor. This effect keeps your background image stationary while your content scrolls over it, creating a professional parallax-like visual that can really elevate your website's design. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to customize your site. Now navigate to the Pages section in your left sidebar. Here you'll want to select Add Page to create a new page, and then click Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface, where we'll be working. Once Elementor opens, look at the upper left corner of the page. You'll see the Elementor logo right there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Site Settings. This is where you can control global settings that affect your entire website, including background images. Within the Site Settings panel, navigate to the Background tab. This tab contains all the options you need to set up your site-wide background. Now, under Background Type, select Classic. The Classic option allows you to use a simple image or color as your background, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Next, click on Choose Image. A media library window will pop up, giving you two options. You can either upload a new image file from your computer or select an existing image from your media library. Take your time to pick an image that suits your website's aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, click Select to confirm it. Your chosen image will now appear as the background preview. Here's the key step for creating that fixed effect. Look for the attachment setting and set it to fixed. This is what locks your background image in place while the rest of your content scrolls over it. It's a subtle but powerful effect that adds depth and sophistication to your design. Finally, at the bottom of the left menu, click Save Changes. This ensures all your settings are applied and your fixed background image is now active across your site. Give your page a quick preview to see the effect in action. And there you have it, you've successfully created a fixed background image in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.